Okay, this demo is on how to do panel schedules for a multi-complex. Let's go ahead and select dwelling, and we pulled up record number 21, which has 16 units. We have 16 units and they're all a variety of size. We have one at 1,400 square feet, one at 12, one at 1,000. We have two at 850, two at 750, and so on. Going down to ranges, we also have a variety of ranges. Okay, we have different size of ranges here. That would be, the smaller ranges would be in the smaller units, of course. And dryers, the same thing. We all have, each unit has dryers. Some of the smaller units, let's go back and look at them. Let's say that 600 square foot and below doesn't have dryers. So 7 and below with no dryers. Let's go to dryers. So we have no unit in 7, 8, 9. Okay, so no dryers. And so updating this, it tells us that we have a total of 8 dryers. So now washing circuits, we should have 8 washing circuits to match. And then, okay, so we update that. Now we have an updated panel schedule that is going to reflect some of the units don't have washer and dryers. Okay, going down to heat. All the units have heat pump. Okay, let's go ahead and remove heat pumps. We're removing all the heat pumps. Air conditioners, okay, all the units will have air conditioner. Okay, appliances. Okay, water heaters, we have 2 different sizes of water heater, that's fine. This totals up to the total number of appliances in the whole complex. That should work out fine. When we do an auto calculation, notice right now we're at 1200 amps if we do standard. Let's see what auto calculation does for us. Optional calculation of 760 amps is better, lower than standard calculation. So we're going to go ahead and select optional calculation. That sounds good. So let's go ahead and print our panel schedule. So we go to the menu bar and select panel schedule. All right. And then the first thing we do is we note that we have ranges and we have dryers and we have heat units. And for every unit we select on, the items turn green. Those are the items that's going to be added to the load calculation on our print off on the panel schedule. Let's go ahead and exit and look at motors. Aha, so we do have motors. We don't need motors. Okay, update. So okay, now we've dropped to, let's see, auto calculation. What happens? Optional is still the best scenario for us. Okay, so let's go ahead and back to our panel schedule. And we click on unit 1, and these are the ones in green is what we're going to add to the panel schedule. And down here, let's see, unit 1 does have a garage, so let's go ahead and put a 600 square foot garage. The general lighting circuit is we're at 15 amp breakers. We could choose 15 or 20 amp. General lighting circuits, we can have as many as we like. This one has 5. Kitchen circuits are 2. Small laundry is 1, and bathroom will have 2 bathroom circuits. We'll update that. Okay, again, selecting green for dwelling unit number 1. We have a dishwasher, a microwave, a garage, garbage disposal, water heater. Let's choose the larger of the 2 water heaters. Garage door opener, the larger garage door opener. Hot tub, no well motor, and we do have an attic fan. Okay, we're ready. So when we go ahead and print, now these are the circuits that's going to show up on the panel circuit. Okay, so it's panel number 1 for apartment unit number 1. All the information. We have a 600 square foot garage and it's installed by Lucky the electrician. So when we go ahead and print this, this is what we can hang on the panel. We can hang this panel schedule inside the apartment. Okay, exiting, return. Let's go ahead to unit number 2 and do the same. We have range, dryer, a heater circuit, an air conditioner, no well motor, no hot tub on this one. We have a smaller garage door. Okay, we have a garage door. We have the larger water heater. And that should do it. We're going to add a couple more general lighting circuits and one more bath circuit. And yeah, this one does have a garage, smaller. Let's go ahead and print the circuit, the panel circuit for this one. So unit number 2. And this is done by Lucky the electrician again. Print, and so we can hang this on our panel in that unit number 2. Okay, returning. Let's jump down to one of the smaller units. It has no garage. It has 2 general lighting circuits, 1 bathroom circuit, has the heat, has no dryer, has an air conditioner, no well, no hot tub, no garage. It does have a water heater, no garage. Has a garbage disposal, doesn't have a dishwasher. Well, there we have it. So let's go ahead and print this panel off. And it's Lucky's helper did this job. All right, then when we print this, now it shows everything about this unit and who did the work. Our company name and logo goes here. All right, so that's how you go about printing off panel schedules. Now, for instance, if there's something on this load that you don't see, or it's spelt wrong, whatever, you can change the way it's spelt here. And so we can say smaller water heater. Now when you type it here, this will only be on the printout. Okay, so when you go to the printout here, your water heater, when you select it, I think it's going to be smaller water heater. Yes, so that will only affect your printout. When you return and go back to your main description here on appliances where it says water heater, it doesn't change to smaller water heater, only on the printout. Okay, that illustrates how to do a printout for multi-unit. Now you can also print the main panel schedule for the whole building. And here we go. This is for the entire complex. We have 16 units, and the whole feeder to the complex is 800 amps. And these are your service conductors and neutral and ground conductors required for the whole complex. Okay, and if you want to see it in a standard format, you hit the standard calculation and do a printout. And again, this will show you how to view it as a standard. And here are our numbers for the standard. Average square foot is 713 because we have 16 units. And these are our totals. We have 8 dryers. We have our heat, air conditioning, appliances, 25% of the largest motor. Remember now, this one is a standard calculation. Okay, that concludes our panel method on how to print panel schedules.